Bakit OBA ang pinili kong online business? Sa panahon ngayon, maraming nagtatanong kung legit ba ang isang online business. And that's okay. It's always wise to do your own research before joining any opportunity. Para sa akin, credibility is built through recognition, leadership, and the impact it creates. Seeing the Online Business Academy receive recognition as the most outstanding online marketing system in whole Asia at the Asian Sterling Awards, together with the achievements and recognition of its founder, gives me confidence that I am learning from an established community. Pero tandaan, walang award ang makapagarantiya ng tagumpay ng kahit sino. Your success will always depend on your willingness to learn, take action, stay consistent, and never give up. I am grateful to be part of a community that values education, mentorship, and personal growth. Hindi lang income ang natutunan dito, kundi mindset, discipline, at skills na pwede mong dalhin habang buhay. Success is earned, not given. Kaya, kung ikaw ay isang OFW, empleyado, retired employee, o kahit nasa bahay ka at naghahanap ka ng legit, guided, at flexible na online business, malaking advantage ang OBA para sa'yo. Kung gusto mong mag-guide at ma-prioritize kita, like and share this video or message me directly sa inbox. See you!